So this footage was recorded over 2 weeks ago on December 3rd. I've just been really busy with exams and stuff, so I didn't get a chance to edit it till just now, but I hope you'll enjoy it anyways.
It's been a few weeks since we checked out the Big Bear Mountain construction site. Last time was when we had a construction tour. Let's go ahead and check out how things are looking here. You can see a lot of water piping and stuff for the water feature that will be right there. As you can tell, it's rained a bunch the last few days, so everything's very wet, and it looks like they haven't made a ton of visible progress here, but that doesn't mean that there's not a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes, because this will be a whole water feature and everything when it's done. You can see that'll be the pump room over there. And not much has really changed along this hillside either. All the foundations have been poured for quite some time, but I haven't done track installation along the hillside yet. I assume that's what they're going to be doing last, maybe? We'll see. Well, I could be standing corrected, because right on this side of the hillside, right behind Mountain Grove Merchants, you can see that there are support poles that look like they're getting ready to go in. You can also see a trailer up there with a little bit of supplies. I assume so they can begin installing some of these supports, and you can see there's a few more just staged along this part of the hillside. So it looks like they're going to start staging their way out. The trees make it a little hard to see, but behind Frogs and Fireflies going into the launch track here, you can see more stage supports, as well as many for the launch track supports, which is what these are, already installed. In general, however, there's been a ton more track installation. When I was here for the construction tour a few weeks ago, they just had that highest point installed, as well as a little bunny hill run at the end. But since then, you can see it looks like they've completely completed that little part of the circuit for the end of the ride there. And you can even see it dive down into the tunnel and pop back out into what appears to be the brake run over there. It's pretty impressive just how much sprawling track all over the place you can see as you approach where the entrance to the ride is going to be. So it's going to be even awesomer once they get that fence taken down, just how much you'll be able to see. Let's see if we can get through the fence here. High quality content.
So here, as I've done before, I've gone ahead and highlighted the track that's been installed so far in green. And then in blue there you can see is where we have supports installed, but not track quite yet, as of December 3rd anyways. Of course, that was over 2 weeks ago at this point, so I'm sure they have made a lot of progress since then, and there's probably a lot more track and a lot more supports in by now, but this is what you're seeing in the video.
So yeah, the entire ending section of the ride appears to be completed now, including the brake run installed. So that's pretty awesome to see. Unfortunately, I'm not able to get any footage from the train because the train that you just saw in the footage was already full when I got over there, and the next train doesn't leave until after dark, so you wouldn't be able to see anything. So no train footage for this construction update, unfortunately, but hopefully you're able to get a pretty good look from within the park, just what we could see over the walls on what's been completed so far. And this will probably be the last construction update of the year for me, because I don't think I'll be able to make it back here again. So all that's left to do now is cross our fingers and hope that it's ready to go when the park opens in the spring, because in just a few weeks here, the park will be closed for the season and there won't be any construction updates from anyone until March. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again, hopefully soon.